In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add the code that creates a link in Blogger, and from that learn how to write that same code in a comment. You can do it automatically in Blogger, but when you write comments, you cannot automatically write the code. You have to do it yourself. And since I want you to identify yourself and provide a link to the EDM 510 USA class blog and to your own EDM 510 blog, you have to know how to write that code. Mrs. Yolis has explained it to her third graders. Let me show it to my 12th plus graders, 16th plus graders, whatever grade you're in. Okay, so we go back to our blog. We go to blog. Click the orange B. It will take you back to your dashboard. I'm going to go back to this demonstration blog which I've been working on. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on posts. I'm going to edit a post. We created this to show you how to add an image. We're going to make something, and we're going to change the wording. We're going to say, here is where I found the image above. Now, I have to decide what words I want to be a link. So I'm going to say where I found the image above. I could drag across any of these words to create a link. I'm then going to create a link. I still have in the memory of my computer the link, the URL for the source of this image. I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to add the http:// If I'd clicked after that, I wouldn't have had to add it, but I missed it. So there we have the link to the source. I'm going to click OK. What Blogger does, and once again let's increase the size of this a bit, is it creates the code that you have to learn. You start with what's called an anchor tag, a bracket, and you'll find that above the comma, and a space. That space is very important. Bracket A for anchor, space. Then you see href equal. This href means hypertext referral. It's going to refer you someplace, send you someplace. If I wanted to refer you to a dentist, I would say go across the street and visit Dr. Berger. He has an office immediately across from the campus. So that's a referral. Where do I want to refer you? I want to refer you to the place where I got the image. So after href equal, I type a quotation mark, and then I type the link, http://www.tiptops10.com, end quote, and then the end bracket, which you'll find above the period. Now these words will be the link. If you don't have anything selected and there's nothing there, nobody will see your link. So if a link doesn't appear to exist, it's probably because you did not type in the words you want to be the link. And so then you would say bracket /a bracket. That means end the tag which I've written, the anchor tag that creates a link. Now I'm going to do another one on my own. I'm just going to type it myself, and this is what you have to learn how to do. I'm going to type a link that will take us to the EDM 310 or EDM 510 class blog. EDM 510 class blog. I'm just going to use that as the link. So then I'm going to drag across. No, I'm not going to drag. I'm not going to do it automatically. I'm going to write it myself. So in front of the EDM 310, I'm going to start with bracket A space href equal quote. Where do I want to go? I want to go to http:// edm510usa.blogspot.com, quote, bracket. And then after the words that are going to be the link, I'm going to do bracket / a bracket. We're going to update this. That's all you have to do is just learn from what Blogger does in creating a link and learn how to do it yourself. The only way you're going to learn how to do it is to practice it and make sure that it works. So this is a good thing to do. Just do it right inside of a blog post and then test it out. You must test it out. So we're going to now view the blog, and we're going to test both of these links. This is where I found the image above. I'm going to click that link, and it will take me to tiptop10s.com, and that's where that picture came from. Now I'm going to go back to my blog post, and I'm going to try this EDM510 class blog. And does it take me to the EDM510 class blog? It does. Now, one of the things that I did not do, because in Blogger you have to discover this on your own, how to set it so it does it automatically, I did not put in the code required for new lines. Now, as I say, if you are inquisitive and you search enough, you'll find out how to put a new line in just by hitting return without writing any code. But in this one, I have not done it specifically so that I could show you how to write that code if you haven't found out yet how to make additional lines in your blog. So we'll go back here. Remember, everything you do should be HTML code. Oop, I didn't go to the right place. I'll go back. I want to go to this post. I want to edit post, so I'll click on post. I want to edit this post. And now what I want to do is I want to have lines in here. Again, I remind you that there is a way to set Blogger so that it does this for you. But until you find that, and I'm intentionally saying you must find it because I want you to learn that there are a lot of things you have to learn on your own without somebody showing you. I'm going to type the code to get a line break. Bracket, BR space / bracket. And that will produce one line. Now you say, well, that's written differently here. Yes, because a break just is a break. We don't need to have something to click in order to do it. So you combine the initial part, which is bracket BR, and then we combine part of this last part, the slash, because we say that's it. We don't need anything else. I'm going to put 2 in. Bracket BR space / bracket. I'm going to update. I'm going to view the blog, and now you will see that I have put my second link 2 lines down. Practice. That's the way you will learn.